So I've got some awesome news for you. Two lots of awesome news, actually. The first one is that the comments are back, man. All those comments, thousands of comments at johnthebond.com that seemed like they disappeared. And I said to you guys, the comments haven't disappeared. They're just not visible anymore. They're still there. And most of you believed me. Some of you doubted me, which is cool. It's good to doubt people. But I've come through with the goods because my boys, Bobby from Australia and Stan from Germany, they worked together for 2 days going through old backups and what have you. It was a very long process apparently, but they fixed it, guys. Almost all of the comments that disappeared are back. And so go to any old article or podcast you want to go and check out and see the comments. The good old days of johnthebond.com with some very robust conversation in the comments. It's all back, folks. Yeah, boy. Thank you, Stan and Bobby. Oh, I've got some more good news as well. Check this out. So we had the Season 3, Episode 33, season finale, member Discord call on Saturday. And we got not 3, not 5, not even 7, but 8 hours on the record. And there was some terrific conversation and some reflection on what has been a pretty big, crazy whirlwind 6 years of these member calls. Yeah, boy. So anyway, it's John the Bond coming to you from beautiful southern France. Beautiful Aix-en-Provence in southern France. And things are good here, so thanks to those of you who've been sending lovely messages and well wishes. I appreciate it. Everything is good here, and I've got nothing to complain about. So, like I said, the comments are back. Thank you, man. This has been a 3-year load of nonsense, hasn't it? But it's all fixed now, folks. The comments are back. And I got 8 hours on the record on Saturday. So over the next few days and weeks, I will publish those calls as I edit them and make them available. So thank you, everybody. I could sit here and talk for an hour, but I'd rather just go and chill out on that little pink flamingo. So that'll do us for today. Thank you, everybody. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I might even do like a review video of the comments left on this video. I might, if they're good. We'll see what happens. But things are good here in southern France on the, what's today, the 10th? It's either the 9th or the 10th, I think. It's Thursday, whatever that is. It's Thursday, the something of August 2023. Joey coming to you from beautiful Aix-en-Provence, France. And thank you once again, Bobby and Stan. Yeah, boy. Shit, motherfucker.